In this video, we'll complete solving problems about the similarity of two triangles, starting with question 8. In the opposite figure, we have AC equals 9 centimeters and BD equals 4 centimeters and BC equals 6 centimeters. And then the parameter of triangle ADE equals 18, 16, 14, or 12. First, we must calculate the length of every side of this triangle, because the parameter of triangle AED equals the sum of its side length. So it is equal the length of AE plus the length of ED plus the length of AD. Now we have ED is parallel to CB, so we say that ED is parallel to CB. So measure of angle DEB equals measure of angle, here we have measure of angle DEB equals measure of angle CBE. CEB, because they are in alternate position. So ED equals 4 centimeter. Why? Because we have BE is the bisector of angle B. So measure of angle DBE equals measure of angle EBC. And since measure of angle EBC equals measure of angle DEB here, so you can say that measure of angle DEB equals measure of angle DBE here. So the triangle DBE is a isosceles triangle, and we can deduce that DE equals 4 centimeters. Okay, it is the first side. We can calculate in triangle AED. And since DE is parallel to BC, then triangle AED is similar to triangle ACB. Triangle AED, this the required triangle here, this triangle, okay, is similar to triangle ACB, the big one. So the corresponding sides are proportional. Then we can write this proportion. It is AE over AC equals ED over CB equals AD over AB. Now we substitute, we will get what is the length of AE. We don't know the length of AE, so we will write it AE over the length of AC, which equal 9 centimeters. It's from the given, equals ED, which equal 4 centimeters over the length of CB, 6 centimeters, equals AD over the length of AB. Okay, but we don't know the length of AB, so we can write AB, it is equal AD plus 4. AB equals AD plus BD. and the length of BD equals 4, and we will concentrate on this part here to calculate each side. Here we have AE equals 9 multiply 4 over 6. 9 multiply 4, it is 36. Divide 6, which equal 6 centimeters. It is the length of AE. Okay, cross multiplication, of course. AE equals 9 multiply 4 divide 6. Now we go to this part here. To calculate the length of AD. So AD multiply 6, again cross multiplication. AD multiply 6 equals 4 multiply AD plus 4. So AD multiply 6 equals 6 AD, which equal 4 multiply AD equals 4 AD plus 4 multiply 4, it is 16. Here it's 4 multiply 4 equals 16. And then 6 AD minus 4 AD equals 16. 6 AD minus 4 AD equals 2 AD. So 2 AD equals 16. And now you can deduce the length of AD. AD equals 8 centimeters. Now we have all sides, the length of all sides of the triangle. So we can say that perimeter of triangle AED equals 6 plus 4 plus 8, which equal 18 centimeters, because the perimeter of any triangle equals the sum of all side length, AE plus ED plus DA. When you make the summation, you will get 18 centimeters, and you will choose letter A. Now, second question, question number 9. Question number 9. In the opposite figure, if the perimeter of triangle DXY, this small triangle here, DXY, this one, equals 8 centimeters, then the perimeter of triangle ABC equals 18 or 24 or 36 or 48 centimeters. We will start from the given on the figure. We have XY is parallel to FE. Okay, from the figure we have XY is parallel to FE. So we have two similar triangles. So triangle DXY is similar to triangle DFE. Okay, again, triangle DXY is similar to triangle DFE. Why? Because we have two parallel sides. So the ratio between their parameters according to the rule parameter of triangle dxy over parameter of triangle dfe as the ratio equals the ratio between two corresponding sides. Again, the triangle of the parameter of triangle dxy over the parameter of triangle dfe equals the ratio between two corresponding sides. Okay, so it is equal xy over fe. We know from the given that parameter of triangle dxy here equals 8. So substitute 8 over parameter of triangle dfe equals the ratio between xy and fe, 2 over 6. And from that, you can deduce cross multiplication. You can deduce that parameter of triangle DFE equals 6 multiply 8, 48. Divide 2 equals 24 centimeters. And I'll keep it. And we will complete. From the figure, we have E is the midpoint of AB. E here is the midpoint of AB. And D here is the midpoint of CB. What we deduce from that? We deduce that DE equals half AC. So ED equals half AC. And also we have F here is the midpoint of AC. So you can say FE equals half CB in length. The length of FE equals half the length of CB. Okay? Again, since F is the midpoint of AC and the E is the midpoint of AB, so FE equals half the length of CB. And I write it. Here we have FE. FE equals half the length of CB. Also, you can deduce that FD, the length of FD, where is FD? Here is FD. FD equals half AB in length. Half AB. Now we have ED equals half AC and FE equals half CB and FD equals half AB. When you add ED plus EF plus FD, you will get the parameter of triangle FED. And also, when you add AC plus CB plus AB, you will get the parameter of triangle ABC. Okay? So by adding, you can write ED plus FE plus FD equals half CB plus half AB plus half AC. Okay. which equal half multiply CB plus AB plus AC here from the figure equals the perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay, and the ED plus FE plus FD, again from the figure here, ED plus FE plus FD equals the perimeter, the length of the perimeter of triangle EFD. And you write it. Perimeter of triangle FDE. But the perimeter of triangle FDE, it is 24. So 24 equals half multiply perimeter of triangle ABC. So perimeter of triangle ABC equals 2 multiply 24, which equal 48 centimeters, and we choose letter D. Here we choose letter D.